Latest Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga Gen 6, 11th Gen i7-1165G7, 14.0 FHD+, 1920x1200, IPS, anti-glare, touchscreen. 400 nits, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB SSD, integrated pin, 3-year warranty, Win 10 Pro, Storm Gray. Windows 10 Pro 64. 11th generation Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor. 16GB LPDDR4 x 4266 MHz, soldered. 512GB PCIe SSD. 14.0 inches WHD, 1920x1200, IPS, anti-reflective, anti-smudge, touchscreen, low power, 400 nits. Integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. 2x USB 4, supports Thunderbolt 4. Warranty 3-year Premier support. Intel Wi-Fi 6. Mechanical design, 360 degrees flip design. Processor 11th generation Intel registered trademark Core unregistered trademark i7-1165G7 processor, 2.80 GHz, up to 4.70 GHz with Turbo Boost, 4 cores, 8 threads, 12 MB cache. Operating system Windows 10 Pro 64. Graphics integrated Intel registered trademark Iris registered trademark Xe graphics. Memory 16GB LPDDR4 x 4266 MHz, soldered. Storage 512GB PCIe SSD M22280, NVMe Express, NVMe, TCG Opal Encryption 2. Display 14.0 inches WHD LED, 1920x1200, IPS, anti-reflective, anti-SMUDG. Touchscreen, low power, 400 nits. Monitor features, 100% sRGB color gamut, 170 degrees viewing angle, anti-reflective, anti-smudge, capacitive touchscreen, low power. Video output. Graphics processor series, Intel Iris Xe graphics. Touchscreen. 10-point multi-touch. Camera 720p HD Think Shutter camera privacy. Fingerprint reader. Keyboard backlit, US English. Type, digital pen, digitizer, keyboard, trackpoint, ultra nav. Keyboard backlight, yes keyboard layout, QWERTY. Color, storm gray. Wireless NIC, Intel Wi-Fi 6 X201. Wireless protocol, 802.11 ABG AX, Bluetooth 5.2. Features, dual stream, 2x2, gigabit Ethernet via optional Ethernet, RJ45, adapter interfaces. USB 3.0 ports quantity, 2. USB-C ports quantity, 2. HDMI ports quantity, 1. USB-C features, USB power delivery. Interfaces, 2. Power delivery 3.0, 2x USB 4, supports Thunderbolt 4, DisplayPort 1.4 out mode, power delivery 3.0, HDMI, headphone microphone combo jack, USB 3.2 Gen 1, USB 3.2 Gen 1, always on. Power provided 65 watt nominal voltage, AC 120-230 V frequency required, 50-60 Hz battery technology, lithium polymer capacity, 57 watt-hour, S. Included accessories, Lenovo integrated pin, USB-C power adapter dimensions and weight 12.4 x 8.8 x 0.6 inch. Weight, 3.08 pounds. Service and support 3 years Lenovo Premier support.